I'm back. It's been a while, but today we're going to be going over my first bottled gel collection called the I'm SPRUNG collection. It's got 8 super pretty colors for the spring and the summer, 8 of my favorite colors, and we're going to be doing some nail art with them today. These are releasing May 28th at 9 a.m. Eastern time. So make sure you set your alarms so you can snag some of your own. I think today we're gonna do like a cute Powerpuff Girl type design. I know that Powerpuff Girls are super popular and you guys ask me how I paint them all the time. So why not show you? I'm gonna be using my brushes, liner gels, and of course these new colors. So let's get into it. For my press-ons, I'm gonna be using my full cover square tips. I love the length and shape of these tips. First color I'm going to be using as the base is Be My Lover Blue. I'm going to be doing 2 coats of this blue. This is what 1 coat looks like. The next color we're going to do is So Fresh, So Clean. It is a really pretty green. Here is what 1 coat of this color looks like. And for the third shade, we're going to be using the color My Boo, which is a pretty pink. This is what 1 coat of this color looks like. And this is what it looks like with 2 coats. Look at how pretty these colors are, guys. Now, the first character we're going to be painting is Bubbles. Grown up, of course, because it's so much more of a vibe. I'm going to be using my Baddest Black and Level Up white liner gels. And I'm just starting with the sketch outline of the head, moving on to the body next. Now, the key to painting characters and painting anything of that sort is pressure. You always want to be balancing with your pinky to really control the heaviness and the pressure of the brush. Freaking love my liner gel because it is literally so black. And always remember that when you're doing your first initial outline, you just want to get a quick sketch. It doesn't have to be crisp and perfect. By the way, you guys, the brush that I'm using in this video today is the 9mm liner brush from my store. Recently, it's been my go-to brush for all of my line work. Next, I'm going to be filling in her face with Coconut from Bio Seaweed Gel. And the next color we're using from my collection is My Sunshine. It is a super pretty baby yellow we're going to fill in her hair. Next, I'm going to be taking my Genie in a Bottle liner gel mixed with white to create the shirt and pants color. And just so you guys know, I am curing in between each different color. Moving on, we're going to go to her eyes using my white liner gel, filling in where the eye area is. And then I'm going in with that same blue we used as the base for the inner part of her eye. Using that same yellow that I used on her hair, we're going to just add some little daisies on her pants. I'm taking my orange liner gel, NYX SPLAT, mixed with white to do the inside of the daisies. Now, here's my secret. I like to use the Baddest Black liner gel and fill in with my black gel polish. Makes it so much quicker to move across the nail when you use just a regular gel polish to fill in the black to outline. Also remember that line weight matters. So you want all the features on the inside to be more thin looking, and the outside of the character I think looks so much better when it's all nice and bolded out. So that's what we're gonna do right now. We're just gonna go back over the initial outline that we did in the beginning, really just crisping it up and perfecting it all. And when you think you got the perfect outline of everything, I'm just going to use my dotting tool to add the perfect little round circles in her eyes. Finishing off this nail with my new No Wipe Shiny Top Coat. I love this top coat. And would you just look at it? Oh, it's so cute. Moving on to the next character we're doing is Buttercup. And again, we're just going to start with getting a quick sketch of the outline. I'm going to use LIMEWIRE, my green liner gel, and mix it with white to create her pants color. We're also going to use the same color on the phone she's holding, and for the inside of her eyes, we're using the same green that we used on the base of the nail. Taking my Oops, I Did It Again red liner gel, we're just going to get her little lips. I mixed this red with white just to make it a little bit lighter. And taking my black bottled gel polish, I'm just gonna fill in her hair. Next, we're just filling in the black part of her eyes. Later, I'm gonna go in and add the little white areas. Once all the color is laid down, you're gonna go ahead and do all your line work, bolding out everything and crisping it up. And last but not least, we're doing Blossom. She was probably the hardest of all three of them just because of all the angles and all the little details she had on her. After doing her outline, I'm just going in again with Coconut from Bio Seaweed Gel. And now I'm taking my red liner gel and mixing it with the pink to create this light red color for the phone in her pants. I'm gonna also go in with my orange liner gel mixed with white to create her hair color. I'm gonna do the little white part on the eyes and then the lips with that same pink color and fill in her eyes and her mouth. My favorite part is the end where you get to bold it all out and watch it come to life. Again, I'm using my white liner gel to do the eyes. I'm obsessed. Now for the other two nails, I am going in with my white bottle gel polish. I'm just gonna do one coat of this to make the colors behind it really pop. I'm going to be doing this cute little heart design. I'm using every single one of the colors in the collection. And honestly, these nails took me forever because you have to cure every single color in between. And look at how cute these came out, you guys. I am so obsessed. I love the colors in this collection and I hope you guys do too. I'm so excited to start doing YouTube again. And now it's time to put these nails on. For just like going out for a night or taking pictures, I like to use these little sticky tabs so you don't damage your nails and you can take them easily on and off. Once these babies were popped on, it's time to show you the reveal. Ah! I'm screaming. These are probably one of my best Powerpuffs I've ever painted. I love how crisp they came out, and I love the fact that I'm using my own gel polish colors, you guys. I'm so excited for these. Now that we're done, I gotta take some pictures of these nails. I'm honestly so happy with how they came out. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know in the comments if you guys have any questions or anything I didn't cover. I want to thank you in advance to anybody who purchases this collection of mine. I am going to be releasing collections every couple months, new colors, so I can kind of go with the season. We'll be doing like some neon, some Halloween colors, some Christmas. I'm super excited. I'm going to take some pictures of these nails now, and I will see you guys on another video soon. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget, drop me a comment, ask me a question, because I'm here for you. And also let me know which one of these three you liked the most, and if there's any kind of nail art you want to see me do a tutorial on, or any kind of video ideas you want me to do. Also, let me know that in the comments, because I'm trying to get more back into doing YouTube. But I've just had like so much going on, and these take so much time to do. But as long as you guys view and you like and you subscribe, it'll definitely push me into doing more YouTube videos for you guys. So I'm gonna go. Love you. And I will see you in another video soon. Bye.